Here is the uncomfortable truth. This is not just about laziness. Many people are trapped in a system that quietly push them toward an average life. And once you see how the system works, you easily break out it. From childhood to adulthood, most of us thought the same life script. Study hard, get good grades, find a good job, work for years and years. And then maybe you are 18-year-old, you can relax your life and enjoy your life. At first time this sound normal, but the system is planned by long time ago. During industrial age, factory needs worker, then school come to fulfill their demand. School and factory, they both have same rules, follow rules and do repeat works. So the old system reward people who follow instruction, do not take risk and do what everyone else is doing. But the moment you try something different, people say be realistic, don't take risk, just play it safe, and slowly you believe. And you noticing most people choose safety over growth. But today is another system that keep people stuck, and it's inside of your phone. Like this is every morning people wake up and open social media for few minutes, but those few minutes becomes hours and those hours becomes years. Why? Because companies are fighting for your attention, and your attention is the most valuable thing. The longer you stay on a phone, the more money make tech companies. In a modern world, human attention has become one of the most valuable resources. So these platforms are designed to keep you scrolling. Endless videos, endless notification, endless distraction. And while you are watching other people's build their life, you slowly stop building your own. Most people think failure is the most dangerous thing in their life, but no, something else is more dangerous than this. Comfort, stable salary, weekend entertainment, occasional vacation. It feels like progress, but often it's just a comfortable routine, because real growth won't uncomfortable. Learning difficult skills, taking risk, starting something from zero, simple, building something nobody believes in yet. Most people avoid that discomfort, so they choose the easiest path, and slowly years pass. If the system push people toward average, how some people escape? They break the difficult path. Instead of waiting for opportunity, they build their own. Instead of asking for permission, they take responsibility. And today the opportunity is bigger than ever. The creator economy grow faster than ever. Billions of dollars. One person with the right skill can now build a channel, a product, a community, a business. But most people never try. Not because they cannot, but they think success is impossible. The biggest difference between average people and intelligent people is not knowledge, it's awareness. Most people never question the path they are on. They follow the plan they were given, but something changed when they question the path. Why I am doing this job? Why I am scrolling horse of horse? Why I am not trying to something else? Why I am not taking risk? These questions break the illusion. Once you see the system, you make your own path. You stop living by default, you start living by system. The system does not force you to be average, but it makes average very comfortable. Remember, the moment you stop following the default life, you stop living